Myself K. Pravalika. My register number 212H1A3072. Today I am discussing about HBase region servers. First, what is HBase region servers? When the HBase region server gets a write or read request from a client, it routes the request to the region that contains the actual column family. However, the client can communicate directly with HR region servers. No HR master authorization is required for the client to communicate with HR region servers. The client can ask for H master assistance in modifying metadata and schema. H region server. H region server. The region server implementation is H region server. It is in charge of providing and managing regions or data in a distributed cluster. The region servers are hosted on data nodes in the Hadoop cluster. H master can connect with several H region servers and execute the following tasks. First, region hosting and management. Second one, automatic region scripting. Third one, processing read and write request. Fourth, direct communication with the client. Fifth, HBase region. H regions are the primary building blocks of an HBase cluster that consist of table, distribution, and are made up of column families. It has several stores and each store pertains to one column family. It is primarily made up of two components: meme store, H file, Zookeeper. HBase Zookeeper is a centralized monitoring several that keeps configuration data and offers distributed signalization. Distributed signalization means gaining access to distributed applications running throughout the cluster and offering coordination service across nodes. Clients connect to regions via Zookeeper. The Zookeeper is an open source project that provides several essential services. First one, Zookeeper services. Second, keep configuration information. Third, client communication with area servers is established via distributed synchronization. Provides transition nodes that represent various area servers. Master servers can use external nodes to discover available servers in a cluster. To keep track of server failures and network partitions, the master and slave HBase nodes region servers are registered with Zookeeper. A client requires access to the Zookeeper volume settings to connect with the master and region servers. When there is a node failure in HBase, Jquery generates error messages and begins to repair the failing nodes applications. HBase finds its use in domain where a massive amount of non-relational data, petabytes, with variable schema in a regular feature. The data needs to be accessed faster. HDFS support is available along with a large number of nodes. Thank you.